What's the equivalent of AndAlso, and OrElse logical operators in Python? In .NET VB and C#, we can use AndAlso and OrElse for logical operations. How about in Python? What is the equivalent logical operators? Are they only limited to and or? Updated. Below is the difference between an or an and also or else. Quoted from this URL. Or and will always evaluate both the expressions and then return a result. They are not short-circuiting evaluation. Or else and also are short-circuiting. The right expression is only evaluated if the outcome cannot be determined from the evaluation of the left expression alone. That means, or else will only evaluate the right expression if the left expression is false, and also will only evaluate the right expression if the left expression is true.
In Python, you can use logic gates. You can use either, for instance, an or and. This URL.
Python already does this. Returns. There is no need for AndAlso or OrElse in Python. It evaluates Boolean conditions lazily. Docs.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.